Welcome back to Thinkology. In today's lesson, we're going to learn Hindi numbers by looking at key moments from the life of Shakuntala Devi, the world's famous mental calculator. We'll use a technique called code meshing, where Hindi and English appear together naturally. By the end, you'll know how to read and say years, dates, times, and ages in Hindi, all through a real story. These videos are meant to accompany the storybooks written by Nicole Herbert Dean. These stories are biographical in nature with activities included to test comprehension. They are available in paperback format and Kindle on Amazon. In this particular video, we are going to be digging deeper into Shakuntala Devi's life. In the last video, we just read the story and saw how numbers were used in Hindi to illustrate her life and her life decisions. Before we jump into the story, here's a quick warm up. Repeat after me. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, दस. Great. Let's see how numbers show up in Shakuntala Devi's early life. शकुंतला देवी का जन्म 4 नवंबर 1929 को बेंगलुरु, भारत में हुआ था. Your example 1929. One of the first numbers we learn in any biography is a year. Shakuntala Devi was born in 1929. In Hindi, we read this as 1929. If you want to say the full sentence in a code mesh way, she was born in 1929. उनका जन्म 1929 में हुआ था. Try it with me. उनका जन्म 1929 में हुआ था. Date example. When describing major events, we often use dates. Let's take an example date. 4th November 1977. In Hindi, we say the date like this. 4 November 1977. Notice the day can be said in Hindi, the month stays the same, and the year is read in digits. Repeat after me. 4 November 1977. She achieved one of her major milestones, 4 November 1977. Hindi generally reads years like a full number. 2024, 1976, 1988, 2005. जब वह 6 साल की थी, तब तक वह जटिल गणितीय समस्याओं को हल कर सकती थी. Here's an age example. Shakuntala Devi showed her incredible talent very early, at the age of 3. In Hindi, we say teen saal. To code mesh, she started showing her gift 3 साल की उम्र में. Say it with me. 3 साल की उम्र में. Here are some age related words. Sau umra, ayu, age. Generation, piri, generation. Budappa, old age. Yuva avastha, youth or young age. Madhyam ayu, middle age. Buddha, old man. Buri, old woman. Vruddha, elderly, varisht, senior, बुजुर्ग, elder. जब वह 8 साल की थी तब उन्होंने अन्नामलाई विश्वविद्यालय में परफॉर्म किया. Here's an example of time. As she grew older, Shakuntala Devi performed at events, often in the evenings. Let's learn how to say times in Hindi. If a show starts at 8 p.m., in Hindi we say Raat ke 8 baje. A code mesh sentence would go as follows. Her performance started at Raat ke 8 baje. Try it with me. Raat ke 8 baje. Here are how time is written in words. Repeat after me. 5 बजे, 6:30 बजे, 7:15 बजे, 8:45 बजे, 12 बजे, 12:30 बजे. Sade means half past, Sava means 15 minutes past, and Paune is either 45 minutes past or 15 minutes to. Let's recap the useful phrases we learned today. 1929, 3 साल, रात 8 बजे, 4 November. See how natural it becomes when you mix the languages together? To practice these numbers, I've created a free printable PDF workbook that teaches Hindi numbers through Shakuntala Devi's story. Click the description link to download it and join the Thinkology email list for more bilingual lessons. You can purchase the book that accompanies this video as well as our last video right by clicking on the picture in front of you. If you enjoyed this kind of code meshed storytelling, please like and subscribe.